Maushami and Piyush have been showing us how right now the cleanup of the Yamuna is underway. Even as the Aarti is set to begin, you've got the cleanup happening, and this is on-surface pollutants like weeds, like garbage that's being pulled out. But there are also questions about why for so many years the Yamuna simply was never cleaned up. And let's explain to you the politics behind something like that. It was in January 2023 that the National Green Tribunal formed a committee specifically to clean up the Yamuna Cleanup Committee. The Lieutenant Governor was appointed as a chairman of this particular committee. But here's where it turned murky, it turned political. The AAP government, the erstwhile AAP government now, moved to the Supreme Court, challenging this cleanup committee, challenging and questioning why the LGs headed it. Essentially, they said, have the Delhi Chief Minister also as a part of this particular committee. At that point in 2023 January, it was Arvind Kejriwal. A few months later, once this went to the Supreme Court, the top court stayed the NGT order that appointed the Lieutenant Governor as chairman. So essentially, the Yamuna cleanup responsibility was put on Delhi officials, and then there was nobody leading them. It was a question of who's doing it, what's happening, and because of the same, there was no movement whatsoever. Again, stuck in the same red tapeism that you see in every single step of governance in the national capital, which is why the BJP has been focusing so much on double engine, saying that a double engine government, centre and state, having the same party in power, will mean there's no hurdle really in blocking any development, will mean that there's no politics, there's no back and forth bickering that stops work from happening, like what we've seen in the Yamuna. Questions will be raised about whether similarly air pollution also can be tackled. But Piyush, coming across to you now, as we speak about the Yamuna Aarti and what's set to take place, there's still one question on everyone's minds. We know now who the Chief Minister is. That suspense has ended. We know who's part of the cabinet too. But who gets what, Piyush? Do we know if, Parvesh Verma is going to be the Deputy Chief Minister? Because there's a lot of speculation on that.
Well, Akshita, it's almost certain that he will be the minister in Delhi government, because today he took oath as the minister in Delhi government. So it ends all this speculation, because had he had to become a deputy chief minister, he would have taken the oath of deputy chief minister. This is what the BJP leaders told us. But apart from that, there are other important portfolios like home, education, finance, tourism, culture. All these portfolios we can expect these portfolios to go to the strong leaders like Parvesh Verma or to Manjinder Singh Sirsa, because yes, the Delhi government will have to fulfill all the promises which it made to the people of Delhi. So the portfolio allocation will have to be done as soon as possible. Most likely it will be done by today evening, and we will be able to know which minister will have what portfolio. In fact, I was also talking to a leader who is also part of this cabinet. He told me that nobody knows in BJP what is going to be the next move. So as of now, nothing is confirmed. Whenever it gets confirmed or official, we will tell to our viewers. But as of now, only one thing is for sure, that Rekha Gupta is chief minister, and 6 MLAs of BJP have taken oath as the ministers.
Hopefully get a confirmation by later tonight, and that suspense will come to an end too. At this point, of course, we're seeing images from the Yamuna, and we're just waiting for Rekha Gupta, the Chief Minister, to appear there. She's expected any moment now, and that's when the Aarti will kick off. It usually happens upon sundown. So around this time is when you usually see that beautiful Aarti taking place on the banks of the Yamuna. But why is it so crucial to talk about the Yamuna cleanup, and how integral is it to really the cleanup of the national capital? Right now, you see these massive machines already deployed at the Yamuna River. The cleanliness process has begun, but obviously there's a lot more to be done. And that's why the BJP has said we'll take 3 years to clean up the Yamuna. Let's get you now live images that are coming in. These are live images of Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. She's just, it seemed, reached at the Vasudev Ghat in the national capital to be a part of the Yamuna Aarti. I'll bring in our reporters on this. Maushami, can you confirm for us if the Chief Minister has arrived?
We are still waiting for her, Akshita. She hasn't yet arrived, and everybody is waiting for Rekha Gupta to arrive. She could be here any moment. because 6 o'clock is the time for the Yamuna Aarti. So, and the sun is is already set. So this is the right time when the Aarti should be performed, and perhaps she would be coming in any moment. But interesting, I was speaking to the priest of this ghat, and he said that 3-4 years back, before that, this Aarti was never performed.
Okay, so you can see on our screens right now live images. I see Virendra Sachdeva there, the Delhi BJP chief. I think, and there you have it. The first images of the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta also present. So she will be making her way in now to be a part of the Yamuna Aarti. Extremely important images these, because it shows clearly, one, that the Delhi BJP government is prioritizing the cleanup of the Yamuna. It looks like she's also getting a briefing as she's reached there. Piyush, can you get us those updates? We see Rekha Gupta, she's yet to enter the ghat, seems to be getting a briefing of some sort, perhaps on the current state of the Yamuna.
But yes, Delhi officials are already present here, and they are briefing Rekha Gupta about the steps those have so far been taken by the government to clean Yamuna. Remember that in the last 1 week, we've also seen 3 to 4 big machines being used to remove the garbage from Yamuna river water. And apart from that, there are 5-pronged strategy on which the government is now working. One is to stop the water of drains. Those are coming in from Nazafgarh drain and many other drains. Those are now being also connected to Yamuna. All these drains are now being stopped. They will be blocked up. For that, the government is taking all these steps. Apart from that, it will also be ensured that nobody throws even one piece of garbage in Yamuna. And for that, stricter laws are to be made. For that, the government is working on. So there are multiple things on which the Delhi government has already started working on. And about the steps those have so far been taken, are being briefed by the Delhi officials to Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, who has just now arrived here at Vasudev Ghat. And apart from that, Jay Panda, BJP's Delhi President Virendra Sachdeva, they are also present. But what we can also see the visuals of Delhi ministers who are patiently waiting for Rekha Gupta to reach here at this point where the Yamuna Aarti will take place. So in few minutes from now, we can expect Yamuna Aarti also to begin. Priests are already on standby. We have also the lamps. All preparations have been made here. All puja samagri has been brought here. So whenever Rekha Gupta arrives here, the entire cabinet will come downstairs. They are right now sitting on the upper part of this ghat. They will come downstairs, and then the Yamuna Aarti will officially begin.
Okay, so live images on your screens there as Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, accompanied by Virendra Sachdeva, make their way to the ghat. All preps ready, everyone on standby. You will see the Yamuna Aarti being performed in just a few moments from now. Symbolic, really, of the priority that the BJP is giving this particular project of theirs, their mission to clean up the Yamuna. And that's why the very first matter of business has been to come down to the Yamuna Ghat to worship Ma Yamuna also, considering that the river is considered to be sacred and auspicious for Hindus. The mess that you see it in right now, you'd hardly believe that this is considered to be a river that people worship. And yet in these images, you see now Chief Minister Rekha Gupta present there. As soon as she takes her seat along the ghat, along with her cabinet ministers, you're going to see the Aarti kicking off. And after that, the first cabinet meet will take place. So it's a packed, busy day for Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. And perhaps what you're seeing here is also a message that while we're going ahead and performing the Yamuna Aarti, we will also ensure that we give back to Ma Yamuna. And so in the first cabinet meet, we're hearing from our sources that there is going to be that first step taken for the Yamuna cleanup. Maushmi Singh is with us for more details. Maushmi, we're seeing these images of Rekha Gupta seemingly getting a briefing of the kind of steps taken so far to clean the Yamuna, what needs to be done going forward. So clearly all of these images is symbolism really by the BJP to send out a message that they're very, very serious about tackling the Yamuna problem.
You're right, Akshita. In fact, the first few hours of her after being sworn in. The Chief Minister looks very confident. She looks at ease. Even a short briefing to the media was very to the point, very crisp. Though she didn't take questions, but she was clear. The message she wanted to send, politically correct. So perhaps, you know, she fought thrice the MLA election, won once, but she definitely won the confidence of the MLAs and the BJP leadership. All that she now needs to do is win the confidence of the people in her CMship. Right behind me, you can see the spotlight is on the Chief Minister. Of cameras rolling in. The media crews have not left her ever since she's been
Mashmi, I'll just come back to you. Let me just bring in Piyush Mishra, who's getting us these live images of Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. Piyush, over to you. I see what you're showing us right now of Chief Minister Rekha Gupta standing there, people coming and trying to click selfies with her.
Well, absolutely. These are the fresh images which we are getting from Vasudev Ghat, and there are people of Delhi who have also come here and they are clicking selfies with Rekha Gupta. Remember that she, along with her colleagues, they are going to come down and then they will take part in Yamuna Aarti, and this somewhere shows the priority on which the Delhi government is putting on. The biggest priority is to clean Yamuna, and the first project is of Delhi government to reach here at Vasudev Ghat and take part in Yamuna Aarti. But we're also learning is that after performing Aarti, she will also move ahead towards the Ghat and see the preparations. Those are now underway. Now she's coming downstairs. Any minute from now, we will see the Aarti also to begin every day. The Yamuna Aarti is taking place. A lot of security is also in place. We can see Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Pravesh Verma, Virendra Sachdeva, Delhi BJP President, Ashish Sood, Delhi newly inducted minister. They all are here. So any minute from now, we can expect the Aarti to begin. The leaders are there on the main dais. Kapil Mishra has also joined the lamps are now we can expect any minute from now the lamps also to be lit.
Piyush,
And then,
just stay with me. Let's try to listen into what's really happening there, the prayers that are being conducted. The images of Chief Minister Rekha Gupta first offering her prayers, and now right after this you're going to see the Aarti also being performed. All the priests there, you can see chanting mantras, and this is of course an important message, because while in fact you have these BJP leaders, the Chief Minister, Cabinet Ministers offering prayers, it's also perhaps a vow to clean up the Yamuna.